Okay, so let's make our new project. File, new notebook. Okay, name it with this resilience for subroutine. Subroutine. Okay. Okay. So what is the subroutine? So I put here the concept, number one concept. But later on we will accomplish this like definition for the subroutine. But for now, I better bring you into the example. For example, um, greeting. Okay, so for the greetings here, let's say um, name, yeah, and then what's your name, and then hello name. Okay, so this way, if we run, what's your name? Tony. Okay, so should be hello Tony. Nah, this part can be hello with the name and the Tony. We can put this as the subroutine. And subroutine, okay, start with the def or define. So the greeting here, I put the name, okay, and then the print hello with the name. This name should be variable. Okay, so I can make it this way, print f, hello, okay, this way, and then name. So hello together with the name. Okay. So I just call greeting name. Okay. So this should be eliminate. So the name, I bring it down here. So name will be captured and then greeting name. So this is the way of declare the subroutine. Okay, and below one is the main program. Okay, so while you are running this, what's your name? Tony is also hello Tony. So it give us the same result. However, this one is in the subroutine. Okay, adjust your code. Okay, so hello Tony. So what's special with this? Previously, we make the hello, print hello. This is in here, okay, in the main program. But now we deliver that we do what we call that, yeah, we delegate. Yeah, we delegate this print hello into the subroutine. So we simply just call the greeting, the subroutine name. Okay. So I'm gonna make you the other one, another one. So number 3 here. Okay. Let's say we have the umbrella. Okay. So I do the code here. So I declare the subroutine. Subroutine. Okay. Def is ren, I do pass. And then this is the main program. What's the meaning of pass? Pass, it means that so far I don't have the body of implementation. But as you see, when we run this, it brings nothing with the error. But if I remove the pass, it will be error because we don't have the body. But so far, we don't know what's the body yet. So that's why pass will be written there. Okay, so the header and the body is already there. This is the complete structure. Okay, so is rain? Is it rain? True or no? Okay, so is rain? If is rain, so if this rain is true, so it means that hey, today is rain. Oh, hi, it is rain. So I put it here. If okay, the parameter here rain. So if rain equals true, okay, so I say here bring umbrella. Else no need to bring umbrella. Okay, so by doing so, we can simplify the complexity of making the conditional not in the main program any longer, but it's now already specified in the subroutine. Okay, make your adjustment, and after that, we're gonna run together. Now let's see what's the result. Bring umbrella because what? Rain is true. But when I say here when is false, I run, no need to bring umbrella. Okay, so main program is just check rain true or false. Okay, so this is much more simpler because the detail already delivered into the subroutine. Okay, so this one is conditional greetings. Okay, I make the code. So in here, I declare a subroutine and here the main program. So depend on the ID, the language, yeah. So I make it the greeting name with the ID country. So you are what the country that you are from. So based on the country, if the country is US, then say hello, blah, 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 and then the good morning. Okay, but if the country, I live here, but if the country is the from other country, let's say not US, but the Japan, okay, so it's not good morning, but this is in Japan, konnichiwa, perhaps lah. Ohio or no, konnichiwa is different. Yeah. Ohio gozaimasu. Okay, this is the Ohio. But maybe we can copy this, this maybe hello. Okay, can lah. So what's hello in Japan? Aha, konnichiwa is hello. Okay, so hello, Ohio is one. Yeah. So you can translate konnichiwa, but I want to make it in the Japanese writing. Okay, so this one. But if your country is Indonesia, which is the ID, say here we have the ID. Okay, so ini halo, halo, selamat pagi. Okay, so I improve a bit. I have the country code for the Korea. Okay, so in here is the Korea. So I do KR. Okay, and then the hello is 안녕하세요. Okay, 안녕하세요. Okay, the Korea one. Okay, it is and selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Okay, so this one belong. Okay, yeah, I'll put it there. Is yes, that's it. So you can adjust the more code. I have the elif here. Okay, good. So your my program, you can continue with the hey, what's your name? And then input name. Okay, so name input, uh, what's your name? Okay, and then the answer, and then what time? Time now is the input, is the time. What's the time? The time. Okay, this way. Yeah. So we're gonna have name and time. So name and time will be associated with this. Sorry, not name, not time, but country. Sorry. So the country, from which country? Okay, from which country you are. So name and country. That's why we can call the greeting here. So name and country. So name come here. Okay, you can use an N here and C for the country to distinguish between name and country in the parameter there. So N, comma C. Okay, so when you enter, what's your name? My name is Prima. Your country is JP. Okay, so in here it says the Ohio, Konnichiwa, Prima, Ohio gozaimasu. Yeah, so it's this. Okay, you run again and then my name is Brita. Okay, this country from Korea, and this is the Korea. Oh, what is this again? I forget. Yeah, Brita, and then followed by the good morning. Okay, the routine part of program that executes specific purpose. Okay, so let's see here. If you want to add the another country here, you don't need to change, you don't need to look up at another part of the program. You just focus on the greeting. Yeah, because in this, exactly the thing that you have to make that you have to update. For example, you add another country, then you need to adjust this part only. Okay, it has nothing to do with this part. Only to this part that you need to have the adjustment. Yeah, so it's very simple actually. Okay, I give you another example with the text here. Let's say I make the number 4, number 5, this one is the uh, header. Okay, so for the header here, we can make kind of this like this. Okay, so let's say here you have these 2 times, do this, and then you do the welcome, enjoy the show, something like this. Yeah. So how you can make this way without repeating the whole things many times. Okay. So you do the subroutine here, declare subroutine, and then you make a def a print header. You do this and then hello, enjoy the show. However, this is will be static number. Okay, you can do kind of looping here for I in range, which is from 1 up to n. Okay, with the 1 increment, and then you do the print as many times there, and then you do n this way. So by doing this, you're gonna have kind of the kind of the same result. Okay, so I continue with the next one here. So in the main program, I call the header just the header, and then we will have kind of for I in range. Okay, so this is header. Okay, so so this is the 1 to n. So how many times you have here? So this is the n here. And let's say you have 20. So it's gonna make a kind of 20, 20, what we call this one, 20 character, yeah. So if you have 50, so it will be 50. So depend on the value that we specify. Okay, just update the code first. After that, we continue with the welcome and then the closing indication here. Okay, so I copy this, I put it below, replacing the static one. Should be like this. And then when I run, we're gonna have 2 times. Oh, sorry. I have to put print here first to give the new line there. So we're gonna have these two. Okay. So by calling only one this way, we're gonna have this. Okay, so how about the message? So the message can be here. I put the message so like the, yeah, for short, yeah, hello here. And this updated with the MSG is the message. So in there, print, I put it here, and then welcome, blah, blah, blah. This should be the message. So by doing so, we have the uh, message, comma, sorry. Yeah. So by doing so, we have this hello. However, the hello must be below here. So we can put the slash n there, slash n. Okay, you can do this, okay, this way, and with the F. So slash n indicate that you're gonna make kind of new line. Okay. So for the print also, you can remove the print. You can change with the slash n there. So after printing the, oh, no need lah, no need this, because after print automatically will be new line. So hello should be this way. Okay, adjust the code. Okay, so if you want to make the hello, welcome, enjoy the show, you can replace this message with the hello, welcome, enjoy the show. So only header and how many numbers of the header here repeated, and then you continue with the message. So by doing so, it's gonna be very easy for you to control. So if you think this is too much, you can, yeah, let's say you make it 30 this way. Okay, it's too much. Okay, it's too many. You can make it this way. So it's gonna be more proper. Yeah. Instead of calling the for I. Okay, so because this complexity already delegate to the header. So header will be hands-on with the printing the line and also make the message and also print the closing one. Okay, so I can improve this. If you don't want this kind of character, you can make it this way. Let's say this is the message, and then you should CH for the character. So you can update that the thing that it will print is not the sama dengan, it's not equal here, but you can use the character CH and also below here the CH. But don't forget, here you have to provide that character. Let's say you change become the hash there. Okay, okay, so this is more flexible. You can control also the character that will be displayed there. So by updating this, okay, by updating that one, you can easily control the cosmetics that we have. Okay, you can make it like maybe you want kind of like dollar there, like this. Okay, you maybe also want to make kind of alt Windows dot, yeah, and then change become something this way also can, yeah, you can do that, something like this. Yeah, this is that we call the cosmetic things. Okay, so Windows dot. for the special character like this, yeah, you can choose any character that you want. Okay, like this, you can add. Okay, that's it. Subroutine. You declare the subroutine. Number one, you declare as the add. Add is for the add the A and B. You can just put pass first because we don't have the implementation of the body. You can do subtract of A and B. You can also do pass. Later on, we will continue with the implementation. Okay, and I can do the rest. Let's say we do the multiply of A and B. And then you can do also the divide of A and B here. And you do pass. Okay, adjust your code first. So below here, you do the main program. Okay, as normally. So we can do the X as the integer of the input. Okay, so you enter a number. Okay, you enter a number S atau represents X. Okay, and then you can put it below to represents Y. So X and Y, you have it there. That's the code. Yeah. So for the past, actually, we do a return here. That Y return. Okay. So observe this, that in previous example, we declare the header, but we don't have return yet. And in here, we declare greeting, but no return. And this is also no return. So no return, just print. But in here, we declare it as the return. So something different with the previous one, that it has the return. Return here means that after calculating, after calling add the subroutine, after calling, it will returns to the caller. It means that it will return back to the main program the result of the computation. So if A plus B here, it means that when I call the add, okay, from X and Y, so this will have the value of the thing, let's say I call with the 5 and 10. Yeah, so 10, 5, and 10. Okay, so 5 and 10, when I call add, so this is the add. Okay, so X will goes into this and Y will go into the B. And then 5 plus 10, 15. This 15 will be returned. And then that's why this line of code, this code will be 15. So that's why we can directly do the printing here. So you can do print as the result. Okay, so that's why when we execute this 5 and 10, it will be 15. Okay, adjust the code up here. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
my